Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 48 of building the 1966 Batmobile. In this issue, we're starting on the engine block. We're doing the radiator. After looking at the veg goes in Gotham Veg. Egghead still. He's got a big egg that time. Fair enough, yeah. One where Batman uses legal training to foil the egghead crook. Yes, because nothing foils criminal masterminds like legal training. There we go. That's all of that. Batman in 82. Mummy monster. Okay. Fatal prescription of Dr. Death. Getting Batman off of a helicopter. Yeah, but he's got a cape. He can clap it out and fly and fruit, can't he? All good things like that. Good stuff. So yes, this is 48. We assembled the radiator. Ready for the next stage. Yes, so we're assembling the radiator now, and then next time we're going to fit it into the car itself. So just putting it together, 4 screws to go together, nice and easy. Won't take very long, and I'll get straight to it now. So this is what we've got, 2 halves of a radiator with 2 bits. This is the trickiest bit to get in because it's got little notchy pieces that you need to line up over there, and then the rest of it lined up over there. There we go. That's that. That one should be easier going on the bottom. Yeah, I did have it the right way around. Just pushes on there like that, and then that will go over the top. Only goes one way round, and it is that way round because that's the way the screw holes line up. That goes in there, and then 4 screws will hold that together. One will be kept for spare. Get all of those in, and then come back round and tighten it all up. Pretty much got to be in the right place because it's sort of snapped in place already, but it's always best to make sure, especially if you can't get the screw in the screw hole properly. There we go, with the last one in place. That is pretty much it. Not quite as nice as the Eleanor radiator that I've just built, but does the job. So it hasn't got the metal sheets on it like the Eleanor one, but you're not going to be able to see it anyway. And it just tucks away inside the engine. So there we have it. One engine radiator assembled. So thank you for watching. See you next time when we install this onto the car itself. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.